Hi guys, today we are back again doing another reaction videos. I'm Fazai, this is my mum.
I'm one pen. This is my daughter-in-law in future. Destiny.
Hi.
Today we're going to be reacting to D Block Europe. The song is called Bird Are Chirping. It's been out one day, it's nearly got 400k views, so you know what, they're smashing it, so let's watch it. You know what bird chirping means?
No, I don't know.
You know, in the morning. When,
Say that again.
you know, in the morning when bird...
What? That is chicken?
You know when you know what I mean though?
The tweet.
What?
When they tweet in the morning.
Small one.
Yeah.
When she talk too much.
Yeah.
I call that bird. You shut up. You talk too much. That's every time I sleep. They come to.
Yeah, that's bird chirping.
Bird shopping. Okay.
Is that a Lamborghini? What's the thinking? I can't remember the car. You know what? I've seen him live.
Have you?
Yeah, at Leeds Festival.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen him live. He was so good. Charlie Sloth. That's Charlie Sloth. Is that Charlie Sloth?
Yes, it is Charlie Slow.
I've met him as well. I'll tell you a story. Yeah? I was in Zante and I was PRing and I was drunk as shit. And he walked past me and he had a hat on and he was low down like this in a blue top with this girl that he was with, right? So like, oh, Charlie, is that you, Charlie Sloth? And he was like, oh, no, that's not me, bro. That's not me. That's not me. And I was like, yeah, it's you. Can I get a picture? He's like, nah, that's not me. All right then. Quick one. And then we took a picture. It's somewhere on my phone. I can't remember where it is. But you know what? He's actually really cool. Hey. Lamborghini. Is it a Lamborghini Hurricane? Lamborghini Urus. My bad. Charlie Sloth is in every video now, isn't he? What he's saying is true though. He said his mum told him that watch people that you're friends with. You know, if you're friends with good people, you're gonna get good.
That's what I told you.
Yes.
Yes.
If you're friends with bad people, you're gonna get bad, and that's true. Isn't
Yes.
it?
That's super true. That's when I been teach you from young to now. She have lovely face. She is. No?
They're so talented though, like these two,
Yeah.
like they've been making music like for a long time, like, When I first saw Young Ads, like I'm watching him doing freestyle in the park and stuff like that. And that was years and years and years ago. Like, and they're still making music and they sound good. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think same what you say.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the video. Like, obviously, I like Young Ads' auto tune. That's what makes the songs catchy. So
See, some people auto tune sounds horrible, but it suits his voice.
Suits him. Yeah.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We shall see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.